I've gone through some judgments. All the judgments are against me, madam. All the judgments are against me, madam.
Which judgment?
Well, I have under prayer, if my Lord accept, because while replying my representations, the authority says to amend the rules is under, if my Lord direct for expedient,
Cannot.
because my Lord,
Number one. To lie before the division bench, you have asking for that you file a fresh petition before the single bench.
I challenge the rules, but slightly
No, either you are challenging, there's no if and but. If you are challenging the rule, we'll hear you.
because
But if you are not challenging it, we cannot hear you. Cannot be taken up. Yes. Either way.
then
Not both ways.
okay, then I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a press.
No, I
At appropriate moment.
yes, why not? Why not? I mean,
No way.
your own wisdom. Apply your own wisdom.
It's not. I'll withdraw.
Withdraw.
Yes.
Mr. Ketan, counsel for the petitioner, prays for withdrawal of this writ petition. Mr. M. DHGY is present. Next prayer. The prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner is accepted. Please stop accordingly. Writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Liberty.
In that case, with the liberty to file fresh. Think about it.
Yes.
You just read that Mallikarjuna's. Have you
Yes.
gone through that?
Yes. All right.
May my lordship.
Yes.
In this matter, your lordship has read.
Is it? Where it is?
It's order number 29/5/2003.
I was thinking, right? Yeah.
Unnecessary, right? Why didn't you check it up yesterday?
Today morning.
We'll impose you a cost. List before this method, before any other appropriate bench without one of us. My name. Civil revision petition succeeds.
Obliged.
Allowed.
Obliged. May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to item number 32.
32.
Yes, Lordship. MSAP Enterprises versus 7 others.
Why?
Lordship, I would like to withdraw this case.
Mr. Your name is not there.
Lordship, yes, it's there. Wakalat Nama, it's there.
You have filed the
Yes.
Mr. Titaba, counsel for the petition says that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ. He prays for withdrawal of the same. Next paragraph. Accordingly, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33, Your Lordship.
33.
Yes, Your Lordship. We are yet to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
on the prayer wider up London State Council. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks,
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks,
Yes, Your Lordship.
so as to enable him to file affidavit.
My Lord, here I'm appearing for the private respondent, my Lord. Can a fixed date be there? Otherwise, my Lord, today I would have prayed for disposal itself because I am not even.
Mr. Disoki, London Council. Oh, respondent number
5.
5. What is that matter? The fixed date may be given accordingly.
29 or
Let this
30.
matter. List this matter on 29.
29, my
29.
Lord.
29/10/2020.
All right.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 21.
21.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
On behalf of the conducting council T party, Your Lordship, this matter may be fixed after, may be listed after the vacation. We have already taken.
Why?
The conducting council had to leave this morning for an urgent matter, Your Lordship. That's why.
We thought we'll dispose of this matter today.
Well,
Anyway, on the prayer of Mr.
E. Payang.
E. Payang, London Council. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I, Lord?
Yeah.
Your Lordship, with the consent of the opposite party, I pray for an adjournment of item number 27 and 36.
1 by 1.
27, Your Lordship.
27 on the prayer of Mr. Ibam, London Council for the petitioner. List this matter after
4 weeks.
4 weeks. And
And item 36, Your
36.
Yes.
List this before any other bench without me.
Highly honorable.
Your Lordship. But consent from the other party, I'm on behalf of Mr. D, consenting council. Beg to mention item number 10 to 20.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. But it may be listed in the first week of November, my Lord.
Okay.
Yes.
On the joint
Other-
prayer of on the prayer
J. Koyu.
Jacoy, London Council, appearing for Mr. D. Kamduk, London Standing Council, National Management Department. And prayer not being objected to by council for the petitioner. List this matter on
First week of
2020.
obliged. Also, Your Honor, I beg to, on behalf of Mr. K. Lawyer,
Huh?
item 37.
37, 38 together.
Yes, Your Honor.
List before the matters before other any approved bench without me.
Obliged.
Not before this bench.
Yes, Your Honor.
My Lordship, Your Lordship, I love to mention item number 26. Lordship,
Yes.
kindly we need time to file rejoinder.
File,
Rejoinder, Your Lordship.
you are for
I'm on behalf of my SMO sir, senior
your name, please.
H Miso.
Huh?
H Miso. H Miso.
Your name is here.
Yes, yes, Your Lordship.
H.
Miso.
Item 26.
Yes, Your Lordship.
H.
H Miso.
Miso.
Yes.
Miso. It's not there. Your name is not there.
Your Lordship.
Mr. H. Miso,
Yes.
London Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. Esmo,
Yeah, SMO, on behalf of SMO.
London Council for the petitioner. Press for it is granted. 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
Yes.
This after 3 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah, Your Lordship. Your Honor, I have filed in WPC for Karadari district. I have filed one new WPC. So the matter being of urgent nature, it may be taken up.
What is the urgent nature?
Your Honor, it's a tender work. It's a tender work and I need to.
What tender? Tender work
PMJSY.
will not install.
PMGSY.
PM Joshua,
Yes, yes.
road construction,
Yes.
why not installing?
Yeah.
Why not installing? Why not passing any interim order?
Uh,
We'll take it up, but we'll not. Construction of road.
Your Honor, it is a new tender, so, and our work is also jeopardizing.
Have you filed it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Obligation.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I would like to mention for item number 34.
34.
Yes, yes.
Where is 34? Okay,
sir.
yes.
Lordship, I would like to pray for the adjournment. I'm for the respondent number 125.
Hmm.
I'm for the petitioner.
No objection.
Next.
On the consent of, on the consent of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Not on the consent. MS Y Karga,
Yes.
learned counsel for the respondents. Press for him is granted for filing affidavit.
Yes, yes, Lordship, for counter affidavit.
Press for is granted 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit.
Lordship, it may be used after Puja vacation.
3 weeks.
Must have realized.
Mayor Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, with the consent from the other side, I'd like to mention item number 24 on behalf of MK Boro, Your Honor, for respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Here, Your Honor, 4 weeks time is for filing
is for the
affidavit in
petitioner?
opposition.
Who is for the petitioner?
I'm appearing virtually, madam. I
Siri.
am for the petitioner.
I have taken the consent. ma'am.
What is the matter?
Your Honor, as a leading counsel come from Guwahati, is taking time to file affidavit in
No, what
opposition.
is the matter? Are you in this matter?
My
Madam,
lord, I am for the petitioner. Yes, my lord. My lord, this is
item
regarding the
24.
challenge. Yes,
What
my
is the
lord.
matter?
My lord, this is about the whether royalties are taxed or not. On that particular issue, we had filed a writ petition before, my lords. We were in the business of extracting crude oil, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Boro, I think subject, the issue is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this has been referred to 9-bench judge, my lord. So this pending, my lord. In
Is it still-
MADA, it's
It's still
pending. When it
pending?
shows as- it is shown as pending, my lord. So I need
I'm
some
not-
time to talk to you. My lord, it is shown to be pending. My lord. Yesterday I checked on the website, but it shows that it's pending.
Similar issues are pending.
Similar issue, my lord. Similar issues are
It
pending, my
is-
lord.
It is stated at the bar that the issues involved in this writ petition are pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Please stop. In view of the above, let this matter be listed after 6 weeks.
My lord.
6 weeks.
My lord.
Obligation.
Hello, bless me.
Grateful, my lord.
No, the issue involved was explained to on. I was asked to prepare a chart. And accordingly, I have to prepare Pakistan. Like, pहले भूल ही गया था. ताकत ताकत. हाँ. Sir, ये chart prepare हाँ next कौन सा segment. No, my lord, the first thing, Lord,
Number 1, synopsis, first line.
yes, my lord.
The facts of the case are that
Yes,
he petitioners 54.
but he is missing, my lord. I agree.
Not then it's not 54 again. There's no 54.
No, 29.
Then
Well, I Admission. Correct.
Mr. Baum, what is this?
I have to be blamed. I have to
To the
take.
first
Yes, yes.
first
I have
plus will dismiss for defection,
No, because
defective,
My
defective
youngest,
petition.
for my youngest, I
No,
take that.
these are the things to be, you have to be careful.
Yes, and this will be
You
taken.
cannot afford to be so carelessness.
Yes. So, Milord, in any case, before issuance of the expulsion order, Milord, the BJP constitution says, in term of.
Let's not go. Let's not go into all this thing. You are claiming protection under section 5. Right.
Yes, yes.
So you saw us the merger,
Yeah,
how it is, how you have merged.
my lord, can you have that?
How you whether you have validly merged or not.
We have validly margin. Okay. My lord, in the table, my lord, kindly see page 1, my lord, lead 1. That is, there are 3 GPC, my lord.
What is that?
That is
Panchayat.
serial number 1. I
Panchayat.
have given the chart.
Yes.
My lord will see serial number 1.
Yes.
There are 3 Gram Panchayat members. Out of that, my lord,
Yes.
Sri Gangte Tapu, petitioner number 15 of GPM Lil A, and Srimati Yangbu Longte, petitioner number 14, my lord. They have marched from BJP to People's Party of Arunachal, my lord. The date of merger is indicated in next column, my lord. That was on 31/3/2024. And my lord, date of merger of intimation to the member secretary was on the same day. And 2 out of 3 from BJP merged to PPM, my lord, with 2/3 majority. Now, serial number 2, my lord, accordingly, there are lead to 4 numbers of Gram Panchayat members. It is a 100% merger, my lord. 31 on the same date. 4 out of 4, my lord, will see in the remark column. Then, my lord, serial number 3, my lord. There are 3 out of 3. Petitioner number 17, 16, 17, they have merged. Then,
This Gram Panchayat members,
correct.
how many in one constituency, how many, not one
That
constituency, how,
segment,
within
one second.
one Jilla constituency,
But
how many Gram GPMs are there?
to,
Because it's a bank.
the minimum is, well, a requirement for one Jilla Parishad segment. Minimum is 3 Gram Panchayat segments. We should not be less than 9 Gram Panchayat members.
In that case,
Correct.
you cannot claim that there are only 2 GPMs, Gram Panchayat members, as you have projected in serial number 1.
Yes.
You are saying that there are two Gram
No,
Panchayat members.
every place will have a GPC.
See, 2/3 majority is required. So, the majority would be counted of what?
No.
Of how many members?
No, bro. In a particular place, that is particular segment.
Yes.
Suppose there are 3 Gram Panchayat segments. Out of 3, 1 will be elected as Gram Chairperson.
Yes.
Then the quorum is 2 for 2/3 majority. So from one particular segment, 2 Gram Panchayat members is required under section 5(2) for the merger.
Suppose if there are 2,
Correct.
then
In that there cannot be, because it's 50-50.
is the one you have shown in serial number 1.
Yes, Milo, there are 3 GPC out of 3 Gram Panchayat members. 2 of them have merged.
Are you sure?
I am very sure, Milo.
Out of 2,
Out of 3, Milo, 2 have merged.
it would have been more convenient if you could have filed a separate petition of each segment consists of, say, if there are 3.
No, Milo, that's why I told them instead of filing a cryptic
Composite thing,
joint
you could
composite
have
joint petition, it
separate
should have been
petition
a
could have.
segregated, my lord. Now, since the impugn order is same, and some petitions at earlier occasions, my lord, where
Because
there
it
are
is very difficult to,
correct.
delineate
I
or
understand.
find it out.
I understand. my lord.
For you also for this.
Yes,
one
yes.
also. Let us see the impugn order.
My lord, page 116. That's why I told you that. My lord, on 117, my lord, kindly mark this paragraph. According to Section 6 of the Arunachal Pradesh Local Authorities Prohibition of Defection Act 2003, all cases under this act must be disposed of within 30 days from the date of receiving the complaint. However, in this instance, the adjudication process was delayed due to occurrences of a major.
Wait, your the thing regarding protection of merger has been discussed.
Yeah, but that discussion is, my lord, we have started that, my lord, kindly come to page 117 only. Second last paragraph. In presence of the chairperson and member secretary, the hearing was convened, wherein advocate so-and-so appeared on behalf of the second party, representing the Gram Panchayat members and others listed as serial number 1 to 12. The respondents, through their counsel, submitted the following facts, my lord. So-and-so, whose name was not listed in the expulsion order. The respondent claimed to have merged with the People's Party of Arunachal from Bharatiya Janata Party by securing 2/3 majority of the 3 members, which was communicated to the Mandal president.
It's okay. Where it has been dealt with, that is your submission of the lawyer. Where it has been dealt with.
My lord, I am, pardon please, my lord.
Where, in which paragraph the member secretary or the deputy commissioner dealt with this your submission?
This page 117.
No, that is submission. It has been recorded. It's your submission.
Yes, but they have not dealt with any. Nothing on record, my lord. Even my lord will come to 123 straight, my lord. Page 123. The respondents represented by so-and-so sought clarification from the first party on the following points. The original copy of the party whip referred in the expulsion order duly signed and issued as per the BJP constitution, rules and law. A clarification regarding the constitution of the disciplinary action committee and whether the disciplinary proceedings were conducted in accordance with the BJP constitution and rules. September 2012, confirmation on whether the resignation letters of the Gram Panchayat members were duly submitted to the competent authority within the BJP. Substantial evidence proving the anti-party activities by the GPMs under contents. The first party presented telephonically informed the court that they were unable to attend due to natural disaster in the district, which rendered them unable to travel due to heavy landslides. In the light of the principle of natural justice, especially the maximum or the ultimum partum, the right to be heard, the court granted both parties sufficient time and summoned them from the next date hearing on second, my lord. Second hearing was held on this date, my lord. Here also, my lord, there is another pattern defect, the last 3 line. The first party requested a final hearing telephonically. How a hearing can be conducted telephonically, my lord? Indicating that the first party was still hindered by the disaster. So-and-so submitted a merger intimation letter from GPM Lanklot. After consultation with parties, the final hearing was scheduled on 29 with clear instruction to both parties to present their respective submissions. On, my lord, here, page 124 is important. On 29/8/2024, in the presence of the chairman and member secretaries, both the parties appeared with their respective advocates, so and so, the following submissions were made. The first party submitted an authorizing letter from the state BJP, so and so of disciplinary action committee, confirming that Sri so and so, president of BJP district unit, was competent to issue the expulsion order under chapter 25 of the BJP's party bylaws. This authenticated the party whip issued so and so at Kulunkume district level. The original duly signed copy of the party whip issued white number so and so dated 23/3/2024 at the district level, and so 2023 at the state level was submitted in accordance with the BJP constitution and bylaws. The first party also presented substantial material evidence, including time-stamped photos and videos from social media, which purportedly demonstrated anti-party activities by the GPMs under contention, thereby inviting disciplinary actions. Well, kindly see on the basis of social media and all. But this is how this electronic evidence that will have to fulfill the requirement of old Evidence Act section 65. This has not done. And minimum, the procedure of trial has not been followed in this case. I'm reading, a clarification was sought from the office of the member secretary for Nyapin and Sangram Nyobia regarding the validity of the merger intimation letters. While the merger in the Nyapin were deemed invalid, the merger letter received from the Sangram Nyobia were verified and found to be duly signed. However, the required floor test, my lord will mark this kindly, page 124E. However, the required floor test and related procedures could not be completed. What is the requirement of a floor test? It is not an assembly, my lord. It's a Gram Panchayat merging from one political to another political party, and the Act does not provide so. Given the circumstances, the court concluded the proceeding with the due regard to the facts and arguments presented by both parties. In this context, reference may be made to the Supreme Court judgment in Subhas Desai versus Principal Secretary, Governor of Maharashtra and others, wherein the court relied on Kyoto Holohon and Rajendra Singh Rana to emphasize the speaker's responsibility in disqualification proceedings. The court reiterated the principle that disqualification proceeding must be decided within reasonable period. To hold that it is the legislature party which appoints the whip would be to cover, to sever the figurative umbilical cord which connects a member of the House to the political party. It will mean that the legislature could rely on the political party for the purpose of setting.
You are
them
from
up.
which place?
They are from different.
Sangram Nyobia
Yes.
or Nyapin?
Nyapin. Some are from Nyapin, some are from Pasang Malat circle.
What about
Some are from
Sangram Nyobia?
Yes.
What about Sangram Nyobia?
They have not dealt with anything.
It's dealt with.
Yes.
That's why I'm asking.
This is
member secretary found that the
which page, Malot?
page 124, para E, sub-para E.
Sangram Yoga, you just find it out. Well, Malot, I'll assist from here. The fourth page,
Page 124, sub-para E.
Correct. I am reading. I'm trying to find out from here, the table. Deal came, Pasang circle. I have dealt with here. Now, Sangram Yobia is at page 120 of the read petition. 120.
120.
Yes, in this impugn order only. Yes, you see here. Nyobia, my lord. Segment was conducted on so and so date. These are 14 people.
Yes, sir.
Well, just one point, I just.
My lord, when you see, my lord, this section 3 subclause 5, you also have to see, my lord, who merges. Is it the member or a party? That's the most important. Now, when we say, my lord, political party represented by is different, not by the representative of the JPC, my lord. They're different, my lord. Now, here's the case, my lord. Is it not the merger political party but a member of a JPC, my lord, or JPM, my lord? Now, the question of 2/3, 3/3 does not arise. The question is whether the BJP party merged with PP or not. Now, when I checked up the record, there is no any document which shows that the party has merged. Here, Mara party is not merged, rather the candidate of a BJP, of a ZPM, ZPC or ZPM, Jilla person member, they merges with 2/3. Which is totally wrong, Mala. They cannot take the shelter of section 3 subclause 5, my lord. If your lordship sees, my lord, this talks about the party, my lord. Now, exactly, my lord, they are asking the shelter of section 5(1), my lord. If your lordship sees, my lord. Has your lordship got it?
Yes.
5(1). A member shall not be disqualified under subsection out of the section 3, where his political party merges with another political party, and he claims that he and other members of his political party. It talks about the political party. The another one, my lord, 2, my lord, for the purpose of subsection 1 of section, my lord, the merger of the political party, a member shall be deemed to have been taken place, very important, if not, only if not less than 2/3 of the members of the political party concerned have agreed to have merger. Now, here's the question of political merger, my lord. And in this present case, the BJP party never merged with the PPM, my lord. So that's why, my lord, whatever action has been taken, my lord, is correctly taken. They have committed the anti-party activities, my lord.
Problem is there's no discussion at all.
No need, my lord. They themselves have represented, my lord. They have merged. If your lordship see the applications, my lord. My lord, now also they are not denying, my lord. With 2/3 members, they have merged, my lord.
Not the political party.
Not the political party. They are admitting, my lord. The member they have merged, my lord.
So
If your lordship see,
according to you,
if your lordship see this chart also, my
no,
lord.
it's okay. According to you, if there are 10 members consisting of one political party,
My lord.
I mean, set up by a political elected representative, set up by a particular political party, how the merger had to take place?
Same thing, my lord. If your lordship remember recently the Bombay case, my lord, the Sindhe case, my lord. Yes, my lord. Merger. Whether a legislative member can merge or not, my lord. I think that kind of Supreme Court said, my lord.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Suppose, that's why I asked him to prepare the chart.
Yes, my lord.
Suppose there are, say, assembly.
My lord.
Out of 10 political members, legislative assembly members of a particular political party.
Yes.
How many members, if it is merged, to be for the purpose of counting 2/3?
7.
Or is it the entire member of the political party?
Here, as we understand, as held by the apex court in that Sindhe case, it is the political party has to merge, not the member, my lord. If they want to take the shelter of section 5(1), my lord.
So that cannot be.
No, my lord. It says, my lord, political party.
That's what I'm asking. Suppose if there are 10 members.
Political party having
10 members
2/3.
of a BJP political party, elected BJP political party, how do we count these numbers of 2/3?
Now, my lord,
Suppose in the state, you have around 10 lakhs
correct.
members of the political party.
Hmm.
But elected representatives, suppose there are 10 members. If they wish to or would merge
Merge with
to
another
another
political
political
party.
party,
Then
how do the arithmetically, how do we count it?
my lord, that what exactly the Kapil Sibal was arguing is apex court. Now, my lord, what could be the appropriate remedy? Now they have to approach the political party, their own political party. Look, I have lost my confidence under this leadership, so we want to merge with the party to another. In that case, it's possible, my lord. But here is not that case, my lord.
So that's why it's not simpliciter a political party. The
No, my lord.
political party
No.
consists of the elected members.
I'm sorry, my lord, they are representing the political party.
Yes,
The election was posted on the basis of party basis, my lord.
that's what I'm saying.
Party basis,
Definitely,
my lord.
you are correct. It has to be merged. The political party has to be merged. But if a political party consists of, say, 10 lakhs
My lord.
in a state, just hypothetically, and members there are elected members, say 20 members, elected representative of that political party. If they wish to merge to political party, whether
Yes.
the number will be counted from the members of the political party or the number of the elected representative.
My lord, as per this, my lord, not less than 2/3 of the members of the political party. Political party.
So it doesn't mean the entire member of the political party.
Not entire. If they have the 2/3,
Elected
if they have a 2/3, my lord, yes.
of the elected members of the political party.
My lord. Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, this present case.
So according to him,
No.
what he has projected is there are in
They have
a
2/3.
village,
My lord.
there are 3 elected representatives total.
Yes.
Therefore, 2 members have merged to other political party.
Agreed, my lord. Yes. They have a 2/3, my lord. Out of 3, 2 merge. Absolutely correct, my lord.
Yes.
Now, question is, my lord, whether the party is merged or not. The political party, because they represent the political party, my lord. The election of fought on the basis of political party, my lord.
So that's why I'm asking, how do we say that why not political party has not been merged?
My lord. Here, my lord, it was never merged, my lord. My lord, who made the representation to the, my lord, other, my lord? It is these people, my lord, not a BJP secretary or president, my lord. It is by the member, my lord. This is Gram Panchayat member. They have said, my lord, look, out of 3, 2 I have, we are merging from BJP to PPM, my lord. It's an individual merger, not a political merger, my lord.
So
That's why, my lord,
what is the procedure of merger?
merger section 5(2), my lord, says, my lord, 2/3 of the political party.
No, what is the procedure?
No, procedure, my lord.
Procedure, suppose there are 3 members, say in this case. 2 wants to merge, elected representative. Do they need to take the permission of the political party or your leader of your political party, say president, secretary, whoever? Is this a procedure?
No, that is not a procedure. Even, my lord, if
Then how do we know that the political party has merged?
the president, secretary, they have to resolve, my lord, having 2/3
That's why
majority.
I'm asking.
Then only the merger is possible, my lord. Otherwise, how is possible, my lord? Now, my lord, in that case, if you look,
It's very interesting.
No,
And,
if you look-
we'll issue notice.
Mali, if
In
you
the
look-
meantime, since they are elected.
can you bear
representative,
bear with
we'll
me 1 minute, my lord?
Yes.
If you lordship, my lord, suppose things, my lord, any member can merge. Then it will be just like a IRM, GARM. Anyone can come, anyone can go. Because, my lord, they fought the election on the basis of election by this manifesto, party manifesto. My lord.
Yes, sir. That's why I'm asking. I'm curious to know how what is the procedure of merger?
Procedure of merger, my lord.
Merging.
Yes, my lord. Now, in the political arena, my lord, suppose be it BJP, Congress, whoever may be, they must have regulation having 2/3, my lord. To pass a regulation that, yes,
Resolution by whom?
by the political party, my lord.
No.
No. That's what it says. Political party. Otherwise, my lord, without regulation adopted by the political party, can a party merge with another party? Absolutely no, my lord. Not at all possible.
My lord, the
No, my lord.
anti-defection law
Wait, let me
does
finish.
not
No, no, no. Wait,
apply.
let me finish. Let me finish.
to the political
No, no, no.
except the
So,
members.
no, that was argued before the Sindhe case in Bombay, my lord, Bombay case, my lord. That was what argued by exactly by the Kapil Sibal. Now these Sindhe people sitting here somewhere in Guwahati, my lord, can they represent a party and merge with another, my lord? That was the moot question in that Sindhe case. The second, the power of the speaker, which is to be referred to the larger bench, my lord. Now here, my lord, my understanding says, my lord, as per my lord, if they want to take a shelter of Section 5(1) and 2, my lord, they have to prove your lordship that yes, 2/3 of the political party have merged with another, which they are also a member. Let them prove it, my lord.
Are you relying on the submission of the learned counsel, senior counsel, Mr. Kapil Sibal?
Man, based on this only, my lord. Section 5(2) says 1 and 2, my lord.
What is the decision of the Supreme Court on that?
My lord, Supreme.
Finally,
Your lordship ever, my lord. The decision was, my lord.
no, I'm not. I'm not sure. I have not gone through. I mean,
But so far, my
the submission was rejected. It's a
Indeed,
number.
yeah.
no, no,
It's-
the
it's-
political merger was
It's a number game.
no, ma. Political merger was, I believe, ma, that
You
was
may
not
be
rejected.
correct. You
Yes.
may be correct that the in terms of the
If you look,
wordings and of this provision, Section 5,
yes,
it's not a simplicity margin by claiming of the elected members to of merging. It has to have the procedure. The political party has to merge along with.
but we are bounded by this Section 5 and 2, whatever, my lord.
We'll see.
Yes.
We'll examine.
Now,
Since they are elected representative, till returnable debt. Right. Heard Mr. Tititar, learned counsel for the petitioners. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated. What is this? Order dated 29/08/2024, passed by the Deputy Commissioner, Kurun Kumer District. Following. Whereby as many as kitna, how much?
29, my lord.
29 in this petition.
In the-
No, we'll say 54. 54 Gram Panchayat members and Gram Panchayat chairpersons
Chairpersons.
of Pasang 8 Pasang 2 Nyapin Nyobia and Sangram Gram Panchayat constituencies have been disqualified. Having been found to attract the provisions of Section 3 of Arunachal Pradesh local authorities within bracket prohibition of defection bracket clause Act 2003. In this petition, no, in this petition. it is first you start, just add something. By filing this petition, 29 numbers of petitioners have approached assailing the order that is so and so, so and so. Did you write that? Issue notice to the respondents. Private respondent is there.
Yes, obviously, English will be there.
Mr. Harish Navar, learned additional Advocate General appears and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Mr. Therefore, no formal notice need be served. Our extra copy will furnish the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3. Mr. Titi, hard on interim prayer. Mr. Titi Tara, counsel for the petitioners, submits that the petitioners have been able to establish that they have merged with another political party, namely People's Party of Arunachal Pradesh, People Party of Arunachal, in accordance with the provisions of law. In as much as the section 5 of Arunachal Pradesh Local Authorities within brackets 2003 protects the members from being disqualified on the ground of the defection if 2/3 majority of the members of the political party merges with another political party. Please go. It submits that the petitioners have merged with the 2/3 majority, which the Deputy Commissioner has failed to consider. Therefore, the Section 3 of the So and So Act shall not apply, as it clearly, as in under Section 5, it clearly prescribed that a disqualification on the ground of defection shall not be applied, shall not apply in case of merger. Next matter. On the other hand, Mr. Harish Navar, learned counsel for the learned additional Advocate General, referring to the Section 5 of the Act so and so, submits that on the reading of the section provision clearly shows that if a member it clearly shows that it is not a elected member, but a political party has to merge along with another political party. Mr. He submits that no, not submits. It provides further. It further provides that the merger of a political party or a member shall be deemed to have taken place if, comma, and only if, comma, not less than 2/3 of the members of the political party concerned have agreed to such merger. He submits that in the present case, there is nothing on record to show that the members of the political party, 2/3 members of the political party have merged with another political party, except a letter by a petitioners of declaring a merger to a political party. Therefore, no protection can be. No protection can be, and therefore the section 25 would not come to the aid of the petitioners. Mr. Next paragraph. Having considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also the provisions of the so-and-so Act 2003. It is no doubt section 5 of section 5 protects the members of a political party in case of a 2/3 merger of 2/3 majority of a political party. This stuff. The petitioners on consideration of the chart submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner and the application and acceptance of merger by another political party of the petitioners, I'm of the privacy, the petitioners have merged with the required 2/3 majority, although it doesn't reveal a clear-cut merger of the political party. Mr. I'm just saying privacy on the basis of the record. Because this needs a serious deliberation.
Yes, please.
As next paragraph, as observed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Come on.
103.
A finding as to the disqualification under the Act, under the Anti-Defection Act, has the effect of unseating a person from an elected office held by him or her pursuant to his or her victory at the polls in accordance with the democratic procedures. Please. The consequence affect not only the consequences affect not only the individual, but also the constituency represented by him or her, which would cease to be represented on the account of his or her disqualification. Therefore, the provision must be construed strictly with rigorous compliance to the Act and rules. Restore. Having considered the observation of Honorable Supreme Court, in the interim, Honorable Supreme Court as well as the materials placed on record, I deem it appropriate to pass an interim order, Mr. Accordingly, till the returnable date. I deem it no. The interim measure is called for, Mr. Accordingly, till the returnable date. In the interim, until the returnable date, the interim order dated 29/08/2024. In respect of the petitioners, shall remain suspended. The call for the records, the respondents, the parties may exchange affidavits. This after 4 weeks.
Well, that item number 2, rest of the petitioners.
They are also
Yes,
GPM. Why only two?
they are rest of the petitioners. Leftover, same order.
Same orders. Name will be different. How many petitioners?
22, madam.
22.
22.
First one is 29. 29 order. First one is
First one is 29. Second is 22, madam.
22. Yes.
Much obliged.
Very interesting.
No, my lord, I have heard his argument.
It's very different.
But only understanding is that merger anti-defection law not applies to the party, but to the members elected
But
on the.
he has raised a very valid point.
Now, other, what is the purpose of 10 schedule, my lord? Other, what is the purpose of 10 schedule?
I'm just granting interim because they are elected representatives.
Correct. I understand. I appreciate.
Right. The issues he has raised a valid
It's a
point.
debatable. I'll come.
Yes.
Sir will also come prepared. Much obliged.
Yes. No opportunity.
Yes, madam.
A similar matter at state.
No, my lord.
Same area, other place.
If the question is giving no opportunity, my lord, that is not a correct, my lord.
We'll just no opportunity in the sense he or he.
See, my lord, see.
She was given an opportunity. She sought for a postponement or
Yes.
adjournment some other day
Yes.
because of the ill health.
Yes.
Thereafter, it was not granted.
No, that was granted. That is the different, my lord. That was granted, my lord.
Where was it granted?
My lord, I have the, my lord, records, my lord. So
Where's-
that no confusion motion was refixed, my lord.
Refixed.
Refixed, my lord. Yes, my lord.
It's not annexed.
They have not annexed, they deliberately, my lord. So I call for my own records, my lord. My lord, it was refixed, my lord, because of request made by her, my lord.
Which page?
My lord, application, you lordship find, my lord. Refixed notice,
16 August.
no, 14 August, my lord.
Application praying for extension of
Yes, postponement of regarding hearing so and so with reference to so and so's 6th August 2024. This is to inform you that the hearing original schedule on 16 August 2024 regarding no confirmed motion of so and so has been postponed to 4th September, madam. So motion was carried on 4th September, but she deliberately she did not present, madam. So madam, the earlier case facts are different, madam. Here, madam, she was given chance, madam. So he cannot plead of any for natural justice, madam. So motion was moved, madam. Out of 3, madam, 2 moved against her, madam. So she was removed, madam. So there is nothing informative in the order.
Yes.
My lord, the earlier notice for hearing.
Yes, you have sought for an adjournment and it was, you are granted and it was refixed on 4th of September.
No, man, it was refixed on 15th of September, man.
Huh?
15th of September, man.
Where is the impugn order? Where is the impugn order?
Impugn order is, my lord.
Minutes of the meeting, 4th.
Page 66, my lord.
66.
This is the minutes of meeting, my lord.
4th September.
Election is fixed. Election of the chairperson is fixed on 7th,
Which election, my lord?
page 69. Election of chairperson. She has been removed from
Chairperson.
chairperson.
Yes.
The election is fixed on 7th. Once election is taken place, what remains?
Nothing remains, Malak. Here, Malak, what they are exactly pleading, Malak. Malak, the petitioner has not given Malak second chance. Because of ill health, Malak, she could not attend the first no contingent motion, Malak. But we have extended the time, Malak. If your lordship see the minutes of the meeting, out of Malak 3 GP, yes, out of 3 GPM, Malak, 2 move against the present income GPC, Malak. There are 3 segments, 3 members. If you
You
lordship,
show us where it was fixed.
My lord,
By which letter it was fixed on 15th?
my lord, the first notice was issued on 6th August, my lord, for hearing of the no confidence motion.
6 August, I have seen. You have said. that-
Accordingly, my lord, I have submitted an application for the adjournment, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, the notice dated 14 August 2024 has been issued, man.
Where it is?
My lord, page number 49, man.
49.
what one?
Yes, my lord.
Oh. There is some addendum in that count,
This
my
has
lord.
informed you that the hearing originally scheduled for August 16 regarding no confidence motion has been postponed to September 20 at this of which chamber alone due to sudden health issues of so and so. Then
Then, my lord, another notice has been issued, my lord, by preponing the earlier dated fix on 15 September, my lord. Page 61, my lord.
15 September. This is the correct one, my lord. It will be 15 September.
Hmm. Then
my lord, minutes of meeting was passed, my lord.
where is the preponing of the letter?
My lord, page number 61, my lord.
Please note that the correct postponement date for hearing is only fixed.
May I read, my lord?
Hmm.
This is to bring to your attention that a circulation letter
You can
dated
say-
incorrectly stated that the postponement date of the hearing for the no confidence motion against Srimati so and so GPC Jiddin is 15th September. Please be informed that this information is correct and fake, man. Please note that the correct postponement date is for the hearing is originally fixed is 4th September 2020.
But you have received this notice also.
Yes, Manoj, but originally it was fixed on 16 September, 15
It's
September.
okay, but then they said that it is not, it is incorrect and fake. Therefore, as they have or they refix the 4th September and you have received the notice.
Yes,
on
I have received, my lord.
2024.
Accordingly, my lord, I have submitted represent letter, my lord, intimating that, my lord, the health is still not recovered, my lord. Page number 52, my lord.
Have you received this second representation?
No, my lord. Second representation. My lord, question is, my lord, how long she will, my lord, await from, my lord, no confirmation motion? First, my lord, medical ground that was accepted, that was extended, my lord. Second, no confirmation motion, that meeting, my lord, she did not deliberately remain absent, my lord. Then if she submits also, my lord, for further action, my lord. How long, my lord, will extend the, my lord, postponing the no confirmation motion, my lord?
My lord,
One chance was given to her, my lord.
I have suggested 8 weeks bed rest by the doctor, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, the eight weeks will complete on 14 September, my lord.
My lord, is
Accordingly, the date was earlier date was fixed, my lord, for hearing on 15 September.
What is your right of seeking time? Is there any law provisions that once the no confidence motion meeting is fixed, can you seek for an adjournment?
I am seeking adjournment on ground of medical, man.
It's all right. Is there any provision under the law? What is the allegation? Where is that complaint? No confidence motion. filed by the other members.
My lord, the allegation is that, my lord, the chairperson has not bring transparency, my lord, and equitable of equitable distribution of the benefits, man. Well, I may be given at least a chance to take part in the meeting of no confidence motion.
Well, since you have the records, you file an affidavit till such time will.
No, my lord,
Reopening. Because section 63 says he should be given a chance to participate and speak. Right to speak.
My
Or
lord,
otherwise, take part in the proceeding of such meeting.
correct, my lord, but she was given.
Ill health.
My lord, that's why it was extended. Your lordship kindly see, that's why, my lord, there is second no confidence motion,
I
my lord.
don't know why
If-
this, why the letter is after postponing again, you are saying that it is incorrect and fact.
No.
Yes, my lord.
First, my lord, no complaint, that was extended because she made the representation saying that I'm ill health, my lord. Then, my lord, second date was fixed.
Well,
In
fix-
second date, my lord, she deliberately did not, because she knew it. She has no confidence, because she lost the majority, my lord. Out of 3, 2 is totally against. Now, what you lordship to say, my lord, section 63, whether we have complied with it or not, my lord. My lord, if you lordship allow this of extension, my lord, if dropping someone application, maybe in any ground, there will be, my lord, very less chance of, my lord, no confidence motion, my lord.
No, we'll stay this till returnable date. Will further observe that pendency shall not be a bar. to
For
conduct
selecting
a-
new jet,
No, will not say conducting a fresh meeting, giving
Oh.
her an opportunity to speak.
my lord,
So immediately you can have that.
your lordship may not pass that order because that will give a wrong signal, my lord. Why I'm saying, my lord? My lord, that will give another, my lord, jet patient will take the same plea, my lord, that I'm ill health, I have some family problem. Kindly extend 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. How long, my lord, the member secretary will extend, my lord? First chance was given. If your lordship see the provisions, my lord, there is no scope of extension, my lord. She has to give a chance, right? Except she cannot preside over the meeting. Rest she will be given chance. But if the person deliberately remain absent, my lord, in that count, my lord, we are quite helpless. my lord.
Law is also very clear.
Law is very
We
clear,
cannot
ma'am.
stall the proceedings.
Correct.
Will issue notice, that's all.
Simply issue the notification, my lord.
Because you have received the second
Notice.
fixing of the date.
My lord, the earlier one is fixed on 15 September, my lord.
Where is your right to keep asking for adjournment? It's all democratic process.
My lord, it was
And,
fixed.
and you have obtained a license of prior press of in your favor as a chairperson, which may attract disqualification also. Or Mr. M. Doji, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the minutes of meeting dated 04/09/2024. Where it is?
Mm-hmm. 66 months.
Minutes of meeting, dated 04/09/2024. Pursuant to the no confidence motion against the petitioner. No confidence motion proceedings against the no confidence motion against the petitioner. Is GPC, Jirdin dash 1, Roman 1, huh? Just Roman, whereby the petitioner has been declared to be ceased to be the chairperson and the seat of the chairperson of GPC, chairperson of Gram Panchayat, Jirdin dash 1 stands vacated. The petitioner has further challenged the notice dated 27/09/2024 issued by the member secretary, 2 Alo East Upper Jilla Parishad constituency, whereby the election oblique selection of declaring the whereby the election oblique selection of chairperson of Gram Panchayat constituency in respect of Jirdin dash 1 village has been is declared, fixing the date on 07/10/2024. Issue notice to the respondents. Mr. Arits Nabam, Lana Edison, Advocate General, appears for the
1 to 4.
respondent number
1 to 4.
1 to 4. appears an accepted notice on the 124. No formal notice will be subscribed. Therefore, no formal notice is petitioners to take a step for service of notice. 1 to 5, member secretary also.
Yes, member secretary.
1 to 5. To take a step for service of notice upon response number 7. Considering that the petitioner have been appears to have been petitioner appears to have been provided opportunity on 2 occasions and a settled position of law that the election once set into motion shall not be stalled by the court, the blanket stay suspension of stay of the proceedings, impugned proceedings is not warranted. However, any election to the seat of Gram Chairperson, Gram Panchayat Chairperson of in respect of during this one shall be subject to outcome of this writ petition. This much we can. List after 3 weeks. You filed affidavit. Respondents to file affidavits. List after 3 weeks. Yes. Yes.
My lord, by this writ petition, my lord, the petitioner has.
What is your right? You are what employee?
Group D, unskilled laborer, my lord.
Unskilled labor.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Why is why is services required here? Where is your appointment?
appointment, my lord, is I was
2007.
appointed in the year 2007, my lord.
2007.
Yes.
Till then you are working there.
Yes.
No, man. I was posted in different places within Siang district, my lord. Sometime in Rumgong, Pangin, Kewang, like that, man. But my lord, my contention, my lord, basically is that there's a standing government notification also, my lord, whereby it is provided that Group D employee like me can be posted within the district only, my lord. But this time I have been posted to Tuting, my lord, in Upper Siang district. There is China border, man. And my lord, I am also an asthma patient, and I have been advised by the doctors not to work in hilly areas like Tuting.
Then leave the job, free from yourself from the service. Then you will not have any problem.
No, my lord. And my lord, this has not been done in public interest, my lord. The public interest, my lord, is that my presence is recorded in my present place of posting, my lord.
What is your? That's what I'm asking. What is your job?
Electrician, my lord. Electrician.
Then
I am the only one posted out in my present place of posting, my lord. That is just all the village authorities, my lord, inclusive of.
What is the impugned order? Let us see.
Impugned order, my lord. This is page 17, my lord, annexure 2.
In the exigency of work, so and so high skilled labor under Rumbung, so and so Yem Singh village under Pang is hereby addressed to assistant engineer.
And this also, my lord, is not. I am not high skilled labor. I am still unskilled, my lord.
Yes. Why are all this? grade 4 employee, sending him to,
My lord, there is no legal infirmity, my lord. He is, Tuting, my lord, is within the jurisdiction of the concerned officer, my SC, my lord, who has passed order, my lord. Now, other is issue, my lord, whether there is two other, my lord, employed already in the his village, my lord. So in such situation, my lord, I find no legal infirmity, my lord. The issue, my lord, whether he can be transferred there, my lord, this has been only tested by this royal court, my lord, in the other case, my lord.
yes.
Now, in my humble, let the representation by the get be considered, my lord. There is no legal infirmity.
My lord, then till my lord, this disposal of my representation, I may be allowed to remain here.
On 30, my lord, there's a release, my lord. Status quo, my lord, will be done, my lord.
He has been released.
My lord, on 30, my lord.
No, not yet released.
I have my.
It may be observed if not released, my lord.
If
Because-
if not release, my lord, then if not, I am informally he has released me.
And I'm the only one, my lord, looking after my ailing mother, who's admitted in hospital.
Since appointment, my lord, he is
And just
serving.
issue notice till returnable, the maintain status quo. Nothing is. I don't find any ground to even not issue a notice. But then I'm just issuing notice. Maintain status quo till then. All right.
My lord, in that case, let the transferring authority, my lord, dispose of my representation, my lord. Until such time, my lord, I may be protected, my lord. Because
Status quo till such time.
uh,
Because there's no reason. Anyway, heard Mr. Disposing, huh? And for the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. Elper learned standing counsel for state respondents. Standing counsel for power department
One difficulty,
appearing for.
sorry, my lord, one the authority was issued, my lord, transfer order is not a party in the case, my lord.
Who?
The difficulty, my lord.
is a he has been made a party, my superintending engineer.
Where it is?
He is
Ah,
not yet.
He's
The
not yet.
representation is before him, my lord.
Sorry, my lord, in that case, I may be allowed
At two.
yes. Okay, my lord.
At two.
Yes.
Correct it. You give the correct copy also to him. Corrected copy. Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, here in this instant writ petition, I have
Yes.
assailed the impugn order dated 5/9/2024, passed by the additional deputy commissioner Dirang, Lordship. Now,
What's wrong?
Lordship,
What's wrong in this?
Lordship, here, Lordship, the
Why writ petition?
Lordship, the reason is this particular order, which has been passed by the additional deputy commissioner, is not in consonance with the law, Lordship.
What law?
Lordship,
Where is
basically,
this? Where is that? Where is the impugn order?
page 33, Lordship.
Yes.
May I read, Lordship?
You read it.
In view of the meeting held on 9th May 2024 between villagers of Lis Gompache and other GBs of Dirang subdivision regarding land dispute between Lis Gompache and Lubrang village, the following order is issued for strict compliance by both the parties. The customary norms as prevalent till date may be continued and followed by both the parties till a final solution is arrived. All the flora and fauna to be preserved by all villagers, namely Lubrang, Lis Gompache. Finally, both the parties shall maintain status quo.
Correct.
Lordship,
Is an executive magistrate, law and order.
Lordship, the issue here is, Lordship, initially, there was a dispute between this party. Lordship, I am being aggrieved. The 400 numbers of, villagers, they are being aggrieved by this status quo order.
What is, you have to maintain.
Reason being, Lordship, there are certain villagers who are constructing their house. Now, on the basis of this status quo order, they have to help the construction, Lordship. Now,
this order, as per this order, they have not mentioned under what provision this order has been passed.
We'll see. On next date, we'll see. Nothing.
Lordship,
You will help up.
Lordship, the issue is, Lordship, this least Kompache village, they are the encroacher.
Why not in this? It's okay. That will be decided by, it is a meeting of the people between the villages.
Lordship,
They are not only to you. It's all for both the villages.
Lordship, that is what I mean.
Both the villages.
This particular meeting, Lordship, if that is a question of law and order, Lordship, this meeting was held in the month of May, and this particular order has been issued in the month of September, when the party is going to approach the civil court for the, in the form of title suit for the.
Who has approached it?
No, the petitioner are going to approach
Contemplate.
the title suit.
You'll take it from the civil court, whatever order you want to take.
Lordship,
What
the
issue
issue is,
notice, that's all.
Lordship, status quo order. Lordship.
Status quo, they will maintain, you have to maintain as directed by the additional deputy commissioner.
Lordship, it's like they have, the proceeding itself is like a title suit, Lordship. This is not even a 145 order.
No, see, whatever
And now,
interest of the parties will see.
if your
Every
Lordship,
technicalities of law cannot be.
Lordship,
answered.
if Lordship allows me, to read out the provision of 164, then 145 CRPC. This order, neither this order is passed under section 133
It's okay.
and section 145 also.
Will issue notice?
Lordship, this status quo order, the entire villagers are affecting, Lordship.
You file a civil suit? Whatever.
Lordship, that I'll be filing, but in the meantime, this particular order may be, state, Lordship.
We'll consider on next date. We'll see, we'll
Lordship,
take the instruction, what is exactly.
Now it is the peak season, Lordship, for construction of house, at Lubrang village. Now they are the encroacher. the
But
other
fixing it after the 2 weeks or 2 weeks.
Lordship, till then,
Obtain the instruction, whatever is there.
Yes,
till 2
Lordship.
weeks, Lordship.
There is no harm in this order, Lordship, this.
Rather, we'll direct
Review
you
order.
to maintain this status quo order.
Yes.
Lordship, the issue is the other parties are the encroacher. They are not at all
We
affected
don't
by
know,
the
we
status
don't know.
quo.
That's a matter of the civil court to decide.
Yes, that is why, Lordship, I'm saying, this executive order cannot pass this kind of order, Lordship. And there is no reason has been recorded for passing this order. Simply on the basis of the meeting held.
Yes, what do we say?
No
Lordship,
reason has been recorded.
region has not been recorded, but then they have annexed, they complained, the Lubra village had complained against this village, Lordship. And then accordingly, there was a meeting. Lordship, this is a harmless order, Lordship.
Lordship, if I,
Heard,
Lordship,
Mr.
allow me,
Yes,
Lordship.
Maintenance of law and order, Lordship.
Petitioners.
That has been passed after 4
We'll
months,
keep it.
Lordship.
You renew your prayer next week on the next returnable day. We would like to see
Lordship, till returnable date, Lordship. See,
petitioners.
164, Lordship.
Nothing
Learned
is there
concept for
to
the
stay.
petitioners. What do you mean by 164?
Lordship, their procedure, Lordship, 145. Basically, we have sought
It's
for
not a
the
164 or 145 proceedings.
Lordship, reason has to be there. Reason has to be mentioned, Lordship.
It's not that proceeding. Is it that proceedings?
No.
Yes,
proceeding
prima
is-
facie, it
No
seems,
proceeding,
but
Lordship.
there is
It's a very reasonable one. The customary norms as prevalent till that may be continued
Lordship,
to
that-
follow both the
that-
parties till a final solution is arrived.
that is being followed already. It is needless
it's
to
okay,
say,
you
but
follow
the
it,
only issue
then-
is status quo,
Then
Lordship.
all the flora and fauna to be preserved by all villages, namely Lorang, Nisli, both the villages.
Yes,
villages.
we do not have any issue, but
Finally,
status
both
quo.
the parties shall maintain the status quo. It's
Status
correct.
quo, Lordship. We are constructing houses at our village, and the other party who are the encroacher, they are coming and
How
they
do
have
we
this-
know they are encroachers?
Lordship, that is the complaint is from our side. So on the basis of our complaint, this meeting was
It
called.
cannot be a one-way traffic. We'll have to hear them.
Lordship, FIR has
take-
also
you
been lodged against
You
them.
take justice service and we'll call for the information from instruction from the
Yes,
additional
Lordship.
deputy commissioner.
Yes, Lordship.
If appears to be, it's a reasonable order.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, it appears, but no reason has been recorded, Lordship.
It's
That
not
is the
necessary.
issue,
It's
Lordship.
okay. Heard, Mr. Etatak, Land Council for the petitioner. petitioners. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated, order number, so and so, page 33, order number dated 0509/2024, passed by the, issued by the Additional Deputy Commissioner, West Caming District, Dirang, whereby you are representing the village or what?
Yes,
Who are you?
the village, Lubrang village, Lordship.
You are only 3 persons.
Yes, they have been authorized, Lordship.
Huh?
They have been authorized, Lordship. Authorization letter is there, annexure 1.
Whereby both the villages of list oblique list. Why list this? List oblique
There is 2 villages, 3 in
List-
fact total.
list oblique list Gompacha and Lubrang villages, not both, 3 villages.
Yes, 3
Three.
villages.
Uh,
List and
whereby
list
the-
Kochi.
list oblique list Gompacha and Lubrang villages have been directed to maintain the customary norms as prevalent till that
Yes, Lubrang.
as directed that the customary norms as prevalent maybe till that maybe continue and follow maybe continued and followed by both the parties till a final solution is arrived. And also all the flora and fauna to be preserved by all the villagers by all the villagers of 3 villages, namely Lubrang Lish, Gompacha, and finally the parties to maintain status quo, issue notice returnable by 3 weeks.
Yes.
3 weeks. Since MSG at the London edition, senior government advocate enters appearance on behalf and entered appearance and accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. No formal notice needed, however, extra notice. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 4, 5, and 6. Next para. Interim prayer shall be considered on the next date. No, not before that. Learners senior and learner additional senior government advocate is directed to obtain instruction from the Deputy Commissioner Dina.
ADC.
Additional deputy.
Additional Deputy Commissioner Dina. List of next para. The interim prayer vehemently urged, strenuously urged by Mr. A. Tata, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, shall be considered on the next date.
Lordship, I may be allowed to take Dusty.
No, in that case, steps for respondents also,
5 and 6.
whereas as well as Dusty mode.
Deeply obliged.
Please.
Heard Mr. L. Perme, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, only
no,
one. Petitioner. And also heard, not also heard.
Lordship, I am for 2, 5, 8, and 9.
Just wait. By filing this writ petition, You have already accepted the compensation. Then
But,
what
I-
else remains?
We accept, we are saying by the violation of beneficiary legislation, my lord, while giving compensation, my lord.
Which one?
The section 26, my lord, does not comply, my lord. 40, my lord, 40, particle 45. my
See,
lord.
tomorrow, if everyone started claiming, nothing will remain.
Lord, for similar issue, my lord.
No development no infrastructure would be able to be, created.
For
in the
similar issue,
state.
my lord, say for same issue, WPC 193, my lord, 2020 spending, my lord, by the other beneficiary. my
By
lord.
filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for a compensation under the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013 in respect of the land of the petitioner, which has been acquired for establishment. Your Greenfield
My lord.
for establishment of Greenfield Airport at Holongi. No, land, some portion of the land, of the land of the petitioner, which is a part of the land acquired for the establishment of Greenfield Airport at Holongi, Papumpari district. After receipt of the compensation, how the earlier compensation was assessed?
My lord, the compensation rate, my lord, it was fixed at
507.
507, that was including solution, my lord.
In terms of that was finalized in the
issues
2012, my lord.
notes, my lord.
Yes, Lord.
2012, my lord. But the previous notification, my lord,
So there-
ultimate was in 2019, my lord.
397.
Please stop. No, in that case, last line, do you just delete, huh? Greenfield Airport so and so at Papumpari district, Arunachal Pradesh, please stop. It is noticed that the petitioner has, next para, on the perusal of the records, not on the perusal of the records reveals that the petitioner has already accepted the compensation paid to him after due assessment of the value of the land. On when he has accepted, when did you accept?
He has been paid 1
Date of
crore.
acceptance.
Date of acceptance is
You just give them.
2012, na?
In terms of the earlier assessment, accepted the compensation for of the
My lord, may also observe that which was inclusive of the solution.
include solution.
Yes.
No, we'll say the accepted the compensation without protest in terms of the earlier assessment of the compensation of the land on
Maybe
so and so. Give the
Maybe.
date. When did he accept? Find out.
2012 also.
You just give the date. When did he accept? Because he has received the
Yes,
amount
yes,
already.
that is admitted payment, my lord. It is given in the. written-
Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 4 weeks.
My lord, may I pray that this be listed with WPC 193 2022, my lord.
Just wait.
Yes, Lord.
My lord, therefore, where.
All the respondents are being,
Because
no, Airport Authority of India is not there. Are you representing the Airport Authority?
Union of India, ma'am.
No,
Respondent number 1. Civil aviation.
no. What about the Secretary Civil Aviation?
Secretary Lordship, I'll be,
No, government of, okay.
yes.
Mr. M. Kato, learned DAJ appears and accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 1.
Ma'am.
Then MS, no. MS G at learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number
2,
2,
5,
5,
8 and 9.
8 and 9. Mr. D come to so and so, huh? Same, except the notices only have so and so. For 3 and 4,
Yes, ma'am.
3 and 4. No formal notice, however, extra copy so and so, huh? The petitioners to take a state for submission notice upon response 6 and 7. Where is the post so and so, so and so. List after.
My lord,
6 weeks along with 6 weeks along with writ petition number
193, my lord,
193.
of 2022. my lord.
When did you receive? You just give the date, huh? Now,
Opening of the.
have you mentioned? Yeah.
Okay.
Find out and give the date.
my lord, we were vehemently against even the issuance of the notice, my lord. My lord has seen, my lord, he has received the compensation without raising any objection, my lord. After that, he has slept for 4 years, my lord. He was given the compensation in the year 2020. Thereafter, without any protest, my lord,
Then in that case, one line before list, huh?
and my lord, it is not,
Although the learned counsel for the respondents vehemently oppose the maintainability of this and oppose the filing of this writ petition, raising the serious issue of seriously raising the maintainability, comma. Such comma. Since the connected writ petition are pending before this court, I deem it appropriate to issue notice at this stage. Mr. Harbour, the maintainability of the writ petition shall be considered on the next date.
yes, my lord,
You file an immediately you file an affidavit.
yes, my lord, the problem here is that, my lord, since the beneficiaries are more than 300, 397. And if in this case, notice is issued, my lord, the Pandora box will open, my lord. Therefore, my lord, taking the shelter of that earlier writ petition, he has filed this.
We'll see, we'll see.
My lord may not take the matter, my lord. Will argue on the maintainability in this case in this.
Already 90, my lord.
That case is
Already 90%, my lord, is before petition I have got, my lord. They are
That's
raising
what I'm
issue, my lord. The issue, my
You
lord.
raise
See,
that
my lord,
issue,
there will be issue, my
it can
lord.
be, have you filed the affidavit on cases?
Yes, yes, we have already filed.
You have raised the maintainability.
No, I have filed the affidavit in that case, my lord, and we are saying that.
Have you raised that?
Yes, my lord.
Have you raised the maintainability?
Yes, we are.
No, my lord, no.
In those cases?
Affidavit, we are not reading, but.
You file it, there also, here also, you raise the maintainability. We'll consider. That's why I have indicated,
My lord.
because I cannot, I mean, pass an order without proper consideration.
But my lord, since there is delay in license in this case, my lord. In filing this.
Whatever you want to do it, while just issuing a notice, we'll consider on the next date.
My lord.
List it before any other appointments without me.
Wait, wait.
Yes.
It's a very peculiar case. My service book got lost somewhere. Whether your
What is
lordship
to
would
be
take
done?
up or after the vacation.
Are you working?
No,
Still?
no,
You have retired?
no, that I'm not sure, my lord, that I will take instruction.
For the Department of Horticulture, respondent number 4, 5, and 7.
Huh.
Right now, he should be under the Agriculture Department.
Who is for agriculture department? So find out, yeah, what
Yes.
you have done.
Because no
Your
departmental
employee
proceedings,
service book.
I have not been even terminated from service.
then
And
reconstruct.
nobody knows.
Have you
Under-
filed the affidavit?
They it is neither here, neither there. Nobody knows under whose custody it was lost.
The heard Mr. D. Pangi, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. El Perme, learned, who is for number 1, number 2?
Me, ma'am.
Agriculture.
I am ma'am. 1, 2, I am put 1, 2, 3, 6 and 8.
El Perme, learned standing counsel for Agriculture Department for respondent number.
1, 2, 3, 6 and 8.
Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 6.
6 and 8 also.
6 and 8. Mr. T. Getso. Learned counsel for respondent number 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4, 5 and 7. Next paragraph. Considering that the grievance raised is to the effect that the service book of the petitioner has been lost and till that it is nowhere to be traced, nowhere traced out, comma. The learned counsel, Mr. El Perme, learned counsel for Agriculture Department is directed to. What should be directed?
Directly.
To ascertain from the department what as to what steps the department has taken for reconstruction or
Yes.
or to find out the service book of the petitioner on the next date fixed.
My lord, I humbly believe, my lord, I believe, my lord, no step, my lord, has taken. If, my lord, in that case, my lord, this case be disposed with direction for reconstruction of the service, my lord. That will be better, my lord.
No, I don't know whether it should be reconstruction or not. You find out. You find out. Advise your department.
Yes, better do something others.
Yes.
Because they did not
Yeah,
terminate
I'm
me
just saying
also.
why.
Hopeless.
Please, after 3 weeks.
3 days. Obliged.
You take it serious, little.
Yes.
I will make.
Huh. You have filed the affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
I
I'm dismissing your writ petition.
Uh,
Heard Mr. T. Toru,
No,
learned counsel
my
for
lord.
the petitioners. And also heard Mr.
B picture.
D. Picha, learned standing counsel for.
Respondent number 1, 2 and
No,
4.
no, learned standing counsel are they?
Yes, my lord.
For respondent number 7, Mr. and Mr. Y. D. Ramshaw, state, learned standing counsel. For respondent number 3. Pleadings completed. List
Respondent
for,
number 4,
list for,
5,
list for final disposal after 6 weeks.
My lord, may I please,
respondent number 5 maybe,
huh?
5 will not file is for a reply.
Who is
Respondent
5?
number 5? The sanctioning authority, NEC.
Not
But
They
necessary.
have cancelled the proposed scheme
Not
by the
necessary.
sanctioning
Not
authority.
necessary.
my lord, this matter may be
Have
disposed.
you- Notice has been served.
Yes,
I'm just giving an opportunity. Otherwise,
Yes.
last time we have fixed it for disposal. You are not there.
yes.
My lord, this matter may be disposed of. My lord, we are facing some problem, my lord.
What problem? Is
But
there
I-
any stay order?
No, no stay order, but NEC is creating problem and the contractor are also, my lord, creating problem, my lord.
Who is?
Because of this pending litigation, my lord. Well, we have raised the
You have
mandatory.
issued the tender.
Yes, my lord.
Has it been completed?
Yeah,
Process has been completed.
yes, my lord. Everything, my lord, work has been completed, my lord.
Then,
But NEC, my lord, due to this pendency of litigation, my lord.
so and so, pendency of the writ petition shall not be, shall not be a hurdle to the tender as well as execution of the work in any manner whatsoever.
My lord,
the sanction, proposed sanction has been cancelled by the sanction authority.
It's all right.
Now,
I don't want to dismiss in the last
Yes.
day, so I'm giving you an opportunity.
okay, will the
He's
argue
pressing
this
for
point on
disposal.
next
He's
day?
pressing for disposal.
Yes.
That's why
My lord, fixed date may be given, my lord.
you are there. You agree to the date.
20,
Yes, next
23, my lord. 23,
23.
23 October.
Give the date.
Obliged.
What is 23? Going per May. Yes.
Your Lordship, I have received the reply filed by the department, wherein it has been found that the FFC report has been provided, and amounting to
What is your case?
my case is about the reassessment of land value into Tuting to Making Road. And accordingly, I have prayed before the Honorable Court
You
to,
want to file reply?
no, I have already filed I have received the reply from the government. From the,
Would you like to file rejoinder or no? Would you like to file a rejoinder or not?
Yeah.
No.
No.
What do you mean by no?
Lordship, I have already received the reply.
What reply? From where? From the government?
Yes, from the government.
So that's why I'm asking, would
Yes.
you like to file reply or not? To the counter affidavit?
Yes, counter affidavit.
You would like to
Yes,
file?
yes,
Reply to the counter affidavit?
yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so. And then Mr. What's this?
Titatak.
Titatak, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Press for and is granted 3 weeks time to file reply to the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the state. List after 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Right.
Yes.
Or do you want to say something?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Sir. I have obtained it through the RTI.
Okay.
The process. Obliged.
2009. Yes, madam. Two 2009 matter.
Yes, my lord.
What is to be done?
My lord,
You are respondent.
yes, ma'am. For 1 and 2, madam.
What is the prayer here?
Prayer, my lord, there was a demand of rupees 24 lakhs, my lord. So this order passed by the divisional commissioner, my lord. That was stayed, my lord. The divisional commissioner has passed an order directing the company, company to pay.
We'll close it on non-prosecution.
In that case, my lord, this amount which has been demanded, this order passed by the divisional commissioner has to be, my lord, confirmed and
Is there
upheld,
any
my lord.
stay order operating?
Yes, my lord.
We'll say stay order bucket.
My lord.
This method relates to the case of 2009 list of known appears for the petitioners on court. Mr. D. Kamdu, Learned Counsel, appears for respondent number 1 and 2.
Yes, my lord.
And MS R. Basar, Learned State Counsel for
4 to 9, Your Lordship.
Respond number 4 to 9. Come on. The present,
3 to 9, Your Lordship.
3 to 9. Present writ petition is dismissed for non-prosecution. Mr. Interim order passed. Any interim order passed shall stands vacated.
Obliged.
Right to your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly peruse the last order. Lordship had asked them to produce the speaking order because they were revisiting the entire issue.
Yes.
My lord.
Open it there. What's the so seclusion? Open it.
My lord,
It will be a public
I'm into, my
document.
lord, on earlier occasion, I into, my lord, on the report of committee, my lord, the competent authority, my lord, yet to take any decision, my lord. So in this view of the, my lord, the action of the committee, my lord, the committee prepared a report.
Committee has given
No,
the report.
but
Findings.
but on
Open
that
it.
report, that yet to be acted by the competent authority, my lord, or government, my lord. That's why, my
Whatever
lord.
you open it and what's your seclusion?
My lord, I believe, my lord, before making any decision by the
What's
competent.
your seclusion? Open it. Let him open.
This will be a public document otherwise.
No, my lord, that will be, my lord, surely, my lord, but the competent authority, my lord, yet to take
Just open
appropriate
it.
decision.
We'll see. We were trembling while opening this.
No, my lord, no, my lord.
It's so serious or what?
No, my lord, no, sir, my lord. I believe, my lord, ultimately, this is the appropriate government, my lord, yet to take any decision, my lord. That's why, my lord, whether it would be appropriate, my lord, on my part to, my lord, look into that, my lord.
The committee was supposed to see whether the rate that we have quoted is workable or not. So that finding must be there.
So on the basis of this decision has to be taken.
Taken, my lord.
Why you are not taking? This is of which doesn't indicate any date also.
That I believe, my lord, it was on
The
16, my lord.
forwarding letter probably will have a date.
16, my
also.
lord.
No, forwarding is yesterday only.
Oh, yesterday, sir.
When?
It was on, my lord. Say,
Member signatures below that date, nothing is there.
in March.
Otherwise, we were
I
L1.
forgot, my lord, that
And we
was
were
not
rejected on the
reflecting the
ground that is-
earlier order, my lord. I forgot, my lord. But last occasion when this was prepared, my lord, I was informed, my lord. According, I informed this on my report, my lord. Last occasion, my lord, I believe, my lord, on one occasion, my lord, I informed, my lord. It was on 16, I Date 16 month, I forgot.
Then when you would like to complete the process,
That
to
is
take
only,
a decision,
that is only already placed before the competent authority.
whatever, you are on behalf of the
Government.
competent authority only. Are you not representing the competent authority? Commissioner will take the
Yes,
decision.
power department.
No, my lord, higher than that, my lord, minister, on minister level.
Who? Don't tell about minister. This is the normal procedures.
The issue
We know
involved, my
the
lord,
commissioner and secretary.
it is in issue tender amount involved is higher, my lord, I think.
Whatever. When you are going to take the time, decision?
I'm not sure, but I'm informal, it is under process, my lord. Under already placed before the competent authority, under.
Ensure that it is done, whatever
Well,
may
it
be.
will be,
Let
my
them
lord,
take a
surely, my
decision.
lord,
You
it
just cannot.
Till then, they should not finalize the tender process otherwise. The tender process should not be finalized otherwise during this period. Because since they are now proceeding
That
with
will-
this report.
How
That
that,
will
my-
not do. We'll just want
this,
to-
my lord, step, my
You
lord,
take
this
a decision,
My lord.
wrong, whatever way, so that people should not be.
On his case, my lord, I argue to
Leader
him.
should not
It
be
is
placed
on their complaint only, my lord.
uncertainty.
For their benefit only.
That's why I'm saying whatever you have initiated action, you have taken, committee has taken a decision. You acted, you decide on it.
Are we entitled to preview of this report also?
I think
Because it cannot be a confidential report. It has to be ultimately in a public domain. So if we can have a copy of this, at least we will be in a position to know.
At this stage, we'll allow, we'll give them some time to complete the process.
Well,
Whatever action they would
But
like
Lordship
to
may
take.
keep a copy of this report as an official in the record.
So that you can obtain through.
No, so that there cannot be any manipulation later on. No, Lordship. So that there cannot be any manipulation later on.
Obviously, we have called for, we will keep it on record.
Because my fear is on the other side that tomorrow there should not be any manipulation because he is
Not
speaking.
Mr. A.K. Sir, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. L. Permel, standing counsel for department.
my lord.
Learned counsel for department has placed a copy of the report of the committee. Where is it, report or what?
Report, 3-member report committee, my lord.
Report of the committee constituted by the government for. What is the terms of reference?
It was on
Government for.
There's a memorandum.
29.
I'm just placing Lordship the copy again.
Just wait. Report of the committee constituted by the government. For re-examination process.
The package name is there at the
For
top.
re-examination of the
Rupa package. It's there in the top.
re-examination of the process and to recommend for acceptance or rejection of the bids in question. Which is taken on record and marked as document X. The state response are granted further 4 weeks time to take a decision on the recommendation of the committee. List after 4 weeks.
Must we kindly give a date? Any date your Lordship's convenience?
No,
Because
any date
After 4 weeks, any date. My calendar is a bit blurred. It's 4th of October.
No, we'll,
Huh?
we'll have to say, what is that?
On 4th of November also. It will be 4 weeks.
You just read the first one. Mr. El Perme, Learned Standing Council for Power Department. Learned Standing Council Power Department has submitted, has placed a copy of the report of the committee for so and so, as directed by this court on so and so, Mr. Then you write, having perused the report, comma, I deem it appropriate to allow further 4 weeks times to the state responses to take a decision on the said report.
And submit the same before this honorable court. Because my fear is, in the meantime, if they go ahead with the tender process and settle it.
It's all right, we'll see.
So that protection may be there also.
Mr.
Once the report is submitted.
Then in that case, the report, copy of the report is kept on the record and marks the document X. List after 4 weeks.
Wait
for next date. Hopefully by next date.
In the meantime, they should not
take a
settle it. They
decision.
should not take a final decision. My fear is that, your lordship.
Sir,
Because
we'll see.
but that is my fear.
Did
They will pass a speaking order. Before
not
it comes to the
pass-
honorable court, they will give it to someone else.
I am considering, I have considered the report, that's why I'm saying.
Yes, lordship.
It's not required.
Oblige, your lordship. 4th of November.
Now, this regarding non-payment of the salary matter of the petitioner. Kindly peruse the last order matter passed by this honorable court dated 12/9/2024 matter. After paragraph 3 matter, internal page 3 of the order matter, may I read matter. On bare perusal of the sanction orders, it appears that the respondent number 3 has already sanctioned and released the grant in age for the salary to both the urban local bodies, namely Itanagar Municipal Corporation and the Pasigat Municipal Council from time to time. Considering the respondent 3 has already released the director matter, urban matter, is local body, urban local bodies matter, has already released the grant in age for payment of salary to the Itanagar Municipal Corporation. The respondent for is directed to consider the release of the area salary to the petitioners before the next date of the listing of the matter. The prayer of T. Damo learned such and such is accepted and granted accordingly. In the meantime, as well as others, respondent to file affidavit, my lord. On my lord, many occasions, my lord, specific directions are being given by this honorable court to file the affidavit, my lord. My lord, since 2022, I am not receiving the salaries, my lord. Despite the, my lords, the salary is being released by the, my lord, government of Arunachal Pradesh, my lord.
Yes.
And therefore also, my lord, I have transferred to my lord Pasigat, my lord, as an executive engineer. Even there also, my lord, I am not receiving any salary, my lord. My lord, it's a very serious issue, my lord, because no fault of me, my lord, the salary has been stopped, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, I'm for the,
you have already released.
yes, my lord, I have,
Who has to pay?
INC.
My lord, I am under instruction that we have verified. They have released the money and it is in our custody. We will release it and I've been instructed.
Forthwith, you release the release the
My
amount
lord.
forthwith.
Yes, my lord. I have been instructed to take direction from your lordship, my lord.
What direction is required?
Yes, my lord.
What direction is required? His salary,
My lord, my lord.
he's working.
Yes, our submission may be recorded. We will release his salary, my lord, in this month, my lord. This month.
With interest.
Yes.
No, my lord, no, interest.
Let us be, my lord, because my lord,
Interest
since
part, interest
the
part, I have not been this.
Will direct them to, will accept his submission, in view of his submission, will direct them to release it forthwith. All the arrears salaries, arrears too.
Yes. my lord.
Obviously arrears.
Yes, yes, arrears.
Including
Yes,
the,
my
the current.
My lord, my lord.
And my
Not
lord,
Mr.
and
Arsekya.
my
And
lord-
then on next date, you
Yes.
you file the affidavit,
Yes.
will disclose it by the time.
My lord, we can dispose of it today, my lord.
No, my lord. Only after
We'll see next date.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
not filed the affidavit. File affidavit.
Okay, my lord, okay, okay, okay.
You bring on filing an affidavit.
Yes, yes.
The moment you released it, everything, it's better, it will become
Yes, yes,
instruction.
yes,
That
yes.
you bring it on record that we have released the
Okay.
payment and everything.
Ma'am,
Not
kindly,
Mr.
my
Arsekya.
lord, kindly, my lord, my friends, my lord, statement be recorded that.
Obviously,
Yes,
basis only, but
Ma'am.
adjourning it. And Mr. Arsekya, land counsel for the petitioner. The grievance raised in this writ petition is to the effect that the respondent authorities have not paid the salary of the petitioner since 2000, which month? Since
October,
2000
November, my lord.
Huh?
October, November, my lord.
What October, November? Which should be 1 month. Starting from which month?
2022, my lord. The month of October and November, my lord. Then it will be, my lord, since, my lord, October, I am not getting the salary.
Since October 2022
Yes,
till
ma'am.
date. List of this court on 12/09/2024. Has directed the Italian Municipal Corporation, respondent number 5, to consider release of the arrears salary to the petitioner before the next date of listing of the before the next date. List of today. Mr. T. Jamo, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 4 oblique IPC, IMC, submits that the IMC has submits that the authorities are ready to
Yes, ma'am.
release the salary of the petitioner, arrear salary of the petitioner, as well as the current salary within a short.
My lord, if current salary, my lord, actually current salary. Okay, okay, we will.
Obviously,
Yes, my lord,
you
we'll
cannot
accept it,
deny
my
the
lord.
current salary.
My lord, if it is with us, then we'll release, my lord.
Arrear salary and as well as the current salary to the petitioner shortly. Next paragraph. Having considered the submission, come on. Considering the submission of learned counsel for the respondent number 4, Mr. T. Jamo. Come on. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. On which date Mr. T. Jamo, learned standing counsel shall bring on record the payment of salary, arrear salary, as well as current salary to the petitioner. Please stop. It is needless to. No. Please stop. It is provided that the respondent number 4 shall release the arrear and salaries to the arrears salary and current salary to the petitioner forthwith. Should we say forthwith?
My lord.
Forthwith, may not.
Within this,
You bet that-
within this,
bet
my
that-
lord, he said that within this month, my
Within
lord.
this month, my lord.
Shortly.
Shortly, my lord, short, not for doing, my lord.
No, he has said shortly.
He has said within this month, my lord.
Within this month, my lord.
Within this month.
Yes.
We have said his submissions shortly in the in place of the in this month, huh? I.e. October 2024, huh? List of then considering, I said no, considering submission so and so, huh? It is directed that the respondent number 4 shall release the so and so, huh? Arrear salary and the current salary within the month of October 2024. Then you write, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks, on which date the Mr. T. Jamo so and so shall file, bring on record, huh?
Even when let them, director, urban local body also filed the affidavits, my lord. That will be brought on record, my lord.
Already directed.
Yes.
You file it.
Yes, I already received the requisition record.
Whatever you file it immediately, huh? Do not wait.
May I please, madam? This is a transfer matter, madam.
And this is listed for orders.
Madam.
There's a stay operation.
After reopening, it's a matter of 2 weeks only. 21.
Yes.
But listing it 21. Take it up 21.
My lord may say for admission hearing and for.
I had to be there for till 8 o'clock yesterday.
There's absolutely no grounds, man.
It's
Are you enjoying any stay?
21st. Immediately on reopening.
Man, yes.
You decide.
Yes.
On the prayer of Mr. Both the case, it will be heard together.
Yes, yes.
Similar.
My lord,
similar.
kindly say I have vehemently objected.
On the prayer of Mr. Ketari and Mr. B. Jamal, learned counsel for the petitioner.
22nd, madam.
Let this matter be, comma, although Mr. D. Pangi has vehemently opposed the prayer for adjournment, comma, let this matter be listed
22nd.
immediately on 22nd, 10/20/24.
My lord, till then interim and court.
Interim order first, earlier shall continue.
Obvious.
In that case, separate, you just same order, but in item 30, Ketari, huh? Item 31, B. Jamo. Same order, but separately in both the reports.
All right.
All right.
Here petitioners are being aggrieved by the impugned order passed on 8/8.
Service report in respect of respondent 4, 5, and 7 is still awaited. List after 3 weeks.
In meantime, your lordship, I would like to pray this honorable court. Earlier, the honorable court have stated that in the next hearing date, interim will be considered.
What
So
interim
there
you
is-
want?
the member secretary come, they can, respondent can conduct election anytime. So.
Which one?
Those
What
four
member secretary?
petitioners who have been disqualified from Jila Parishad member from Lower Devang Valley till the returnable date, no election should.
We'll see at 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Anything else? Huh? No, any other? Okay, this 135 and one person non matter. Two matters. Okay.
Sorry, sorry. In item number 28 matter, whether I am permitted to take back the record of my lord. The,
Which one? I have kept it.
okay, let me.
अनलिस्टेड मीटर लंच का बाद होगा ना सर हाँ अनलिस्टेड मीटर जो लंच का बाद होगा ना अनलिस्टेड मीटर जो अभी 2 बजे अभी तक नहीं आया
Yes.
May it please your lordship, we have 4 petitioners along with 3 others, Jila Parishad members. They were been expelled from the party. Allegation that they were involved in indulging anti-party activities during
Yes.
the outgoing elections. And according to that, and they have not present in the party meetings and they have not followed the direction of the party whip. That was the allegation. After that, it was complained before the member secretary cum deputy commissioner Lord Divang Valley. On 8/8, after hearing the parties, on 8/8/2024, petitioners were being disqualified from being as a member, Jila Parishad member. This is the grievances. Whereas during entire election process, the petitioners were not involved in any anti-party activities. And there is no any prima facie case established by the respondent, the Mandal president and district president of the BJP party that they were involved. Only on the basis of one list of campaigning list of the People's Party of Arunachal, PPA list, where on that campaigning list, name of the petitioners were there. In that list, interestingly, even the election agent of the present MLA, sitting MLA from Dambuk, his election agent name was also there. And regarding the some of the meeting, they were not being present. That had already been informed to the party authorities. Some of the petitioners, due to medical ground, they could not have appeared in the party. And the rest of the party meetings, they have effortlessly worked for the victory of the member of Lok Sabha of East Parliamentary seat and even the MLA of Dambuk constituencies. Many photographs in series I have annexed here. And in meantime, your lordship, there was one subsequent development took place. And in very hurriedly, when petitioner were not been petition have not been stayed, in very hurriedly manner, the member secretary come SDO have passed a notification on dated 10 September 2024 for this election of Jila Parishad chairperson. So I am having apprehension that if interim is not been passed, there will be every possibility that.
Why have they to bring that on record? Why have you not brought on record?
I have filed one additional evidence. This is after filing of this writ petition.
Lordship, may I, Lordship? Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Sri Ajinapang, Senior Advocate, Lordship, on dated Lordship 12/09/2024, Lordship, the new ZPC has already been appointed in this Lord Divang Valley, Lordship.
Chairperson.
Yes, Lordship.
Yet what can be done?
So your lordship, the recent.
You have missed the bus. 19th August. Pursuant to provisions of the Mama Missouri declare as Jilo elect chairperson 12 Lord Divang Valley Jila Person.
Earlier, your lordship, before 8/8 passing of the impugn order by the learned Deputy Commissioner. I was the Jila Parishad chairperson, BJP Jila Parishad chairperson. Here, out of 4 petitioners, one is the Jila Parishad chairperson. He is ZPM plus he is a Jila chairperson.
This is of 12th of September.
Yes, Your Lordship, that is correct.
How
After
can we
the
say
filing,
that?
this is the subsequent development, Your Lordship, it took place. Now, Your Lordship, my limited prayer is that there is every possibility that they have very hurriedly elected, an election was conducted on 10th September, notification was issued, and on 12th, election process scrutiny was done only for the selection of Jila chairperson. Now, there is, Your Lordship, every possibility if protection is not given. In these 4, the expelled Jila Parishad members' seat election can be conducted as they are represented.
Okay, you are Jila Parishad
members, Your Lordship.
ZPM.
ZPM and petitioner number 1 is also a Jila chairperson of Lower Dibang Valley. Chairperson they have already elected in very hurried manner. Now we are having apprehension that election also might conduct for the Jila Parishad member.
Where is the impugn order?
Impugn order is in Your Lordship, page number 130 to 136, Annexure 14, last.
130?
130 to 136.
When is the next election?
Next election,
Panchayat
as per tenure, it will be in the end of December 2025.
20?
December 2025, end of December 2025. Very interesting here, caveat was filed on 7th. Caveat was filed on 7th of August, and this impugn order was passed on 8/8/2024, Your Lordship. Caveat was filed by the respondent on 7th of August, and this impugn order disqualified of these 4 petitioners from ZPM post was ordered on 8/8/2024. So there is every possibility, Your Lordship, if some protection not given, they might very in a hurried manner can conduct the election for the Jila Parishad member. Yes, they are being elected by the people. Due to vacancy, people of that area are suffering.
What is your ground?
My ground is that we were being not heard and only on the basis of just allegation that we were indulged in anti-party activities, whereas there is no any evidence that we have been involved. And I have a series of photographs where the petitioners were accompanied with the Honorable MP for during the time of filing of nomination and during a mega rally where Union Minister Sri Rajnath Singh was present. We have abide by the party norms. Only some of the few meetings we skipped due to some personal difficulties. Some of the petitioners were being ill health, which all those reasons have already been conveyed a message to the Mandal President and the District Disciplinary Committee. Apart from that, they've desperately done this. Nothing, and our appeal petition still pending before the National President for revocation of expelling them from the party.
Third, Mr. A. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner. Who else?
My lord, I am for respondent number 6, the district president of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Yes. 4, 5, and 7. Who are these?
Four, 5, 6. 4 is the your lordship President Bharatiya Janata Party. Respondent number 5. 4. Respondent number 5 is the State Vice President come State Disciplinary Action Committee. And respondent number 6 is the District President Bharatiya Janata Party, Lower Dibang Valley. And 7th is your lordship District Vice President come Chairman District Disciplinary Action Committee, Lower Dibang.
You are for?
District President Bharatiya Janata Party, Lower Dibang Valley. My lord, if I may,
yes.
Page 90 of the petition is the complaint that we had filed before the member secretary. In the complaint, we had annexed all the documents which shows the fact of voluntarily giving up the membership of the party. The name of the petitioners are included in the campaign committee of the People's Party of Arunachal Pradesh.
Which amounts to voluntary giving up.
No, there is no any resignation, your lordship.
Resignation is not required.
No, they have not given up, your lordship. Very interesting, your lordship.
No, it amounts to voluntary giving up your membership.
No, they have not given up, your lordship. There is no in written.
You have been expelled.
Only the basis on that. If I have been expelled, your lordship, if there will be a fair equality, then in that campaigning list, very interestingly, the sitting MLA of Dambuk constituency, his election agent name has also been reflected there in the list.
Today it's very difficult. It's too late in a day. Well, consider all this.
Yes.
No interim order.
Your lordship, I pray that till now they have still respondents are yet to file their affidavit. In meantime, I'll take those service await. I'll take steps by register AD post as well as Dusty. Short date, your lordship. We having appearances like just where they have selected the Jila chairperson by issuing notification within 2 days. This might be in the for the election of ZPM.
No,
also.
that is chairperson is not easy, but then election of Jila Parishad member there will be a process. It will be by the notification will be by the commission.
There is every possibility. Anytime they might issue a notice for election.
When the election is declared, you come.
It will be too late, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
By that time, it will be too late if once
See,
election
we
process
cannot
will be.
install the election.
So I pray that for short date till some returnable day,
What sort of interim order?
that no election to be conducted for Jila Parishad
We'll see next date. And Mr. Who is for one? MSP Pangu, what is your stand? P. Pangu, London State Council for respondent number 1 and 2 submits that she may be granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Mr.
K. Mena, for respondent number 3.
Mr. K. Mena, Land Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Apang, Senior Counsel for respondent number 3, and Mr.
Respondent number 6.
Respondent number 6.
Si, Parme.
And please, the office note dated 03/10/24 reflects that the service report in respect of 4, 5, and 7 are still awaited. Please. The London Council by the petitioner press for and is granted 2 days time to take steps, press steps upon respondent 4, 5, and 7. Arrested post with the AD as well as by web dusty mode.
Next week, Your Lordship, I may be given time. Tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday. By
1
Monday.
week. 1 week. At least they better after 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It will be 3 weeks only.
Yes.
3 weeks. What is additional documents? What additional documents?
The minor medical prescription of the petitioner minor. Whereby
Have you corrected?
yes, ma'am.
The post title.
Yes. And respondent number 2, my lord, is the transferring authority.
Heard Mr. N. Pada, counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. L. Permet, Leonard State Counsel for Power Department. Leonard State Counsel, Power Department, the bed which is produced for all the respondents. My lord. By next period, filing this application. By filing this petition, the petitioner, where is this order?
Impian order, my lord.
Yes.
Page 17.
The petitioner has challenged the office order dated 16/08/2024 issued by the superintending engineer within bracket E AP electrical circle number H.
Yes.
Department of Power, Pasigar. whereby the petitioner is sought to be transferred from EMC village under Pangan Electric Subdivision to Putting Electrical Subdivision under Inkyong Electrical Division. Please stop. Next para. Petitioner was appointed as unskilled casual laborer.
Yes.
Casual laborer in the Department of Power, Government of Arunachal Pradesh on 29/05/2007. And since then, he has been posted at different places like Panging, Rumgong, Kebang, etc. within the district of Siang district. At present, he is serving at EMC. Next paragraph. Well, the petitioner was serving at EMC by an imperial order dated 16/09/2024. The superintending engineer within bracket E, AP electrical circle number H, circle number -H, Department Power, Pasigat. Has posted the petitioner by attaching to the assistant engineer within bracket E, bracket close, Tooting Electric Subdivision under Inkyong Electric Subdivision. Next paragraph. Mr. N. Pada, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that their perusal of the imperial order dated 16/09/2024 clearly indicates that the monthly wages of the petitioner will continue to be drawn from the Pangin Electric Subdivision under Rubong Electric Division. Which goes to show that the casual laborers are transferred and posted within district only. He submits that since the petitioner is a casual laborer, he cannot be posted to other district. Mr. Pada, learned counsel, submits that as per the transfer posting guidelines, which is a profess norms in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, by circular dated 28 602/1998. A Group D employee can be posted in his home district, public town or village. Please. That paper, Mr. Further permits that the petitioner is suffering from what?
As mom.
Petitioner is suffering from asthma. For which the doctor has advised him to avoid what?
Hilly areas.
Hilly areas, high altitude or
High
high
altitude
altitude areas. Please stop. Since the place, since Tooting is situated in a very high altitude location, come on. The petitioner, there is a risk of a risk to his life because of his illness, because of his problem of having asthma. Mr. Therefore, he submits that the respondent authority, particularly respondent number two, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Namely, Superintendent Engineering within bracket E, AP Electric Circle number H, Department Power, comma, Pasigat, maybe directed to consider the case of the petitioner. And cancel the impute order dated 19. Sorry, what is that? What is that impute? 16/09/2024. And allow the petition may be allowed to be continue at allowed petitioner may be allowed to continue at Yemsing village under Pangin Electric subdivision. Lister. Mr. O Pada, N Pada, Land Council submits that petitioner has filed a representation, has submitted a representation before the concerned authority, before the superintendent engineer, AP Electric Circle number H, Pasigat on 30/09/2024 with a prayer to cancel or recall by reconsidering the impugn transfer order that is 16/09/2024 and to retain him at his present place of posting at Yemching under Pangin Electric Subdivision. However, same has not been considered as on that. Mr. Next para, Mr. El Perme, London Standing Council, appearing for the respondents, submits that since the inception of his appointment the petitioner has been allowed to serve at Siang district without there being any transfer, without transfer to other district. List of. Therefore, in the exigency of service, exigency of work, the petitioner has been posted to Tute electrical subdivision. There is no reason, there is no ground for interference as the grounds set forth in the petition cannot be considered for interfering with the transfer or impugn transfer order which has been issued in the exigency of work. However, he submits that if this court, however, he would not have any objection if this court directs the authorities to dispose of the representation of the petitioner, which is admittedly not been disposed of as on date, right?
Right.
Next paragraph. Having considered the submission of land counsel by the parties and after going through the materials placed on record, this court finds no serious grounds for interference with the impugn transfer order dated 16/09/2024 passed by the respondent authorities. List of next paragraph. It is needless to observe that not needless. It is straight law that transfer and posting of a government employee, a government servant, is an incident of service list of, unless there is any violation of statutory rules or on the ground of malafide, court would be allowed to LOATHE. The court would be allowed to interfere with the transfer and posting order. Rest of in the next paragraph. In the present case, except for medical ground. No. In the present case, although the petitioner has sought to petitioner has projected. No. Petitioner has, although petitioner has projected that since the petitioner has never been posted out from the district, which is supported by impugn order to the effect that his salary shall be, what your salary shall be what? His salary, the salary of the petitioner, the monthly wages of the petitioner will continue to be drawn from Pangin Electric Subdivision. under Rural Electric Division. And also stated to have the element of asthma. This court finds no causal ground to interfere with the transport order. However, since the petitioner has submitted his representation against the impugn transfer order that is 1609/2024, I deem it appropriate to direct the respondent number 2, particularly the respondent number 2, i.e. Superintendent Engineer AP Electric, so and so, number so and so, particular to consider and dispose of the representation submitted by the petitioner. Listen. Accordingly, the respondent so and so, number 2, is directed to consider and dispose of the representation of the petitioner dated, which is that representation date of representation 30/09/2024 within and pass an appropriate orders. Pass appropriate orders within a period of 15 days. Within a period of
30 days.
30 days.
15 melody.
Within a period of 20 days from the date of receipt of the certified copy of this order. Till disposal of the representation, the petitioner, the petitioner, what is to be done?
Status quo, my lord. I am informed, my lord. He has been
Till the representation till the disposal of the representation, status quo
is on today, man.
As on today, shall be maintained.
Yes, he has been not joined here, my lord.
In respect, the status quo in respect of the transparent posting of the petitioner as on today shall be maintained. Can you please understand this proposal?
My lord.
Find out what is this is estimating or estima. You just find out. It should be estima, but then estimating problem, can we do that? Whether this adjective word is on there, just find it. Yes. If there is unlisted, you have to place in the launch track file.
Your Honor, before going to the phases of the case,
yes,
the standing counsel for the RWD was not present in the court premises today.
What is to be done?
We have duly informed the registrar about that, and we are going to serve the copy at the chamber. Now, Your Honor, the instant case is represented by Kyoda Taji, an authorized person on behalf of MSTGG Enterprises. And MSTGG Enterprise is an active contractor in PMGSY Road Karadadi, Your Honor, with road name Paka _Langdang to Ryambang with a length of 54.59 kilometer. Stage 2, Your Honor. White package number AR 1401 /046, Your Honor. And the work, the NIT for this mentioned work was done on 6th March 2019, Your Honor. And the work commenced after getting the acceptance letter and notice to proceed with the work dated 27th March 2019, 19, Your Honor.
What is your case?
Your Honor, let me come to. Your Honor, to apprise that my work in construction phase has been completed already, and I'm in maintenance period of the work, Your Honor. This Paka Langdang to Rambang Road, with a length of say 55 kilometers. And Your Honor, in the recent development, the RWD Jamin Division has floated 12 tenders, Your Honor, on 23rd September 2024, Your Honor. And Your Honor, 2 packages, Your Honor, the NIT is at page number 31, Your Honor.
31.
Yes, Your Honor.
Impute NIT.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's so many.
Yes, Your Honor, but I have only issue with 2. Package number.
Serial number 2.
Yeah, serial number 2 and
Then you go to camping.
yes, sir, yes.
Camping
And Your Honor,
village.
package number 5.
Huh?
Package number 2 and package number 5, Your Honor.
Ramping to Lolse.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, since mentioned villages falls under stretch of my road, Your Honor, and I have not been given the completion certificate yet, and I'm already in my maintenance period, Your Honor.
You have already completed.
Yes,
the
the construction part is completed, and I'm in my maintenance period, Your Honor. Maintenance period.
So,
Your Honor, to put into perspective, like I have the work of from stretch from Doimuk to Papunala Junction, and this new project is like, Your Honor, from road from Nyorj to Upia district headquarters. Your Honor, the part and parcel of the works are coming under my stretch of road, Your Honor. So I have not been given completion certificate yet, and the road is still is under my responsibility, Your Honor. Your Honor, it is like relieving, and before relieving me, another person is given my seat, Your Honor, at some stretch, not the full stretch, Your Honor.
we don't know, but then how you are affected?
Your Honor, because my road is counted under the new project, Your Honor.
How how you are affected?
Your Honor, all these villages, this Kembing, Delinge is at another part, but Kembing is under my stretch. And Your Honor, as just said, Your Honor, Kembing is like Nyorch, Your Honor, and this new village Delinge is like this UP headquarters.
I've understood.
Your Honor, some portion of my road is being connected. Your Honor, let me say that I have a
It's
diagram.
okay, it's overlapping according
Yes,
to you. But how it is affected to you?
Your Honor, because I
That-
have not been relieved yet, and Your Honor.
New construction.
No, Your Honor, the present NIT is called under phase 3 of the PMGSY.
Phase 3.
Yes, phase 3 of
Yours
PMGSY.
is?
Yours, mine is stage 2, phase 2.
Phase
Your
2.
Honor.
It's okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Phase
And
2. What
since
you-
I
you
have
are
not
a contract-
completed
you are
and
a
I haven't,
contract- you're-
Your Honor,
you
I
are a
have not given
contractor.
completion certificate yet. And the responsibility, the road handling taking between me and the department is not been done yet, Your Honor. And we have, Your Honor, already applied this matter, and the SC had given a circular, Your Honor, it is in
page
30, Your Honor, 30.
Yes.
It
Saying
was
what?
on 4th September 2024, Your Honor, the previous month itself.
Review
And
the
your,
status
yes,
report.
I have given the status report to the concerned superintending engineer.
Directed to attend the meeting. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. And even your in the page number 29 also, you can see that I, being the contractor, have been called by the assistant surveyor of work to give my status report, and I have duly given it, Your Honor.
Where it is?
Page number 29, Your Honor.
29.
The report is with the department as of now, Your Honor. Your Honor,
What happened to that meeting?
Your Honor, I have said that the construction part of my work is done, and I'm in maintenance period, so completion certificate may be issued and some of my pending bills may be released, Your Honor. That is only
Your
my
tender was for phase 2.
Yes, Your Honor, phase 2.
You have completed now.
Yes, Your Honor. And Your Honor, after completion, there is a period of maintenance. I am on that period only, Your Honor, because since I have not given the completion certificate yet.
We'll see. We'll just issue notice because
Your Honor,
since your agent today accept your claims, we don't know whether this even if your submission is correct.
Your Honor, the tender,
unless
the bid process is to be opened on this 7th of this month, Your Honor.
It's okay. We'll not install.
Your Honor, at least, Your Honor,
because of this tender, if
Yes.
there's any complication, we're issuing a notice. You come back.
Your Honor, in the interim, it may be stayed since Your Honor, as per
Which
the,
one?
these
No.
two works, Your Honor.
We cannot, will not.
Your Honor, it will be like giving one work to two persons simultaneously because I'm already working on that,
Doesn't
on
matter.
that phase of the.
You are working on it. Your tender is not been cancelled. Have you been paid?
Not fully yet, Your Honor.
If you don't get full payment of even a petition.
Your Honor,
if it-
since
if
the
it-
third phase
if
is
it-
for
if it-
upgrading of
if-
your road, Your Honor.
If it invades your work, you come back. All right.
Your Honor, if we come to page number 37, Your Honor, I have annexed an objective-based diagram of PMGSY, Your Honor.
It's okay. Because these are
Your Honor,
these are factual thing. This High Court would not be able to find out. Well, I'm not. This court is not disbelieving you, but then at the same time, these are factual thing. We'll see what is their stand, but no stay.
Your Honor, the bid process is scheduled to be opened on this 7th.
All right.
Your Honor, just give me.
Have you participated? You can
Not
also
this time, Your Honor.
participate.
Not this time, Your Honor. Your Honor, just if you could give me just for 2 weeks, Your Honor, time, so I could be relieved of the responsibility which I'm carrying by now, Your Honor. Since I have already completed my work, and I'm awaiting completion certificate and release of my bill. And if the
Sir,
Your
you
Honor,
come back if there's any impediments because of this tender. If your work is hampered or if you are not been paid, and if your part of the award has been, the work has been taken away because of you come back with clear effects. Because on your submission, we just cannot stay there.
Your Honor, my apprehension is only that
Mr.
Tai Kumar, Your Honor.
Huh?
Tai Kumar.
Tai Kumar.
Yes.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner is agreed by the NIT dated 2309-2024 in respect of NIT dated 2309-2024 issued by the
Executive Engineer, Jamin Division,
Rural Works Division, Jamin, Karadadi District, in respect of package number AR19/01/103 and AR19/01/107 for construction of Dilenge to Kembling Village, PMGSY Road, page 31, and Rambling to Lolchi. Is Lolchi?
Yes.
Lolchi Baya Patwa, on the ground that in the same streets and the same work has already been awarded to the petitioner, for which the
Your Honor,
petitioner
if I may,
awarded
some stretches of the road, Your Honor, not the
some
fully road.
stretches of the above said proposed road construction has been awarded to the petitioner by following due process, for which the petitioner has completed what?
Construction phase of the work.
Completed the physical construction phase of the work under phase 2. Please stop. It is the contention of the petitioner that if the above two packages of road constructions are allowed to proceed, it will have an overlapping on the work already awarded to the petitioner. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks.
Your Honor, if I may, Your Honor, a prayer is now being made that in the duration of this process of notice, the department, project implementing unit may be ordered to give me completion certificate.
Then we
Then,
cannot.
Your Honor,
You come back when there's a problem. We're not stopping you anything. Today we're just issuing notice.
Your Honor,
All right.
if my completion
Issue notice
certificate is,
returnable by 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon all the respondents. All right.
yes,
By registered post with AD. Any private respondent? No.
Your Honor?
Any private respondent?
No.
Is there any private respondent?
No, Your Honor, no.
Okay. List after 4 weeks.
Right.
Should I reject your entry prayer?
Yeah.
Or just keep it like that. Should I reject your entry prayer?
Your Honor, I
We just keep it like that.
Yes,
You
yes.
may renew in case in future. All right.
yes, Your Honor. All right.